Imana Steel, a leader in manufacturing of steel for stronger Rwanda. Located in Gashora sector, Bugesera district, Imana Steel Limited Rwanda is an international steel manufacturing company based in Rwanda with its offices in Nyarugenge. The company has been in operation for the past 13 years. The company boasts of a workforce of 50 workers and 400 subcontracted workers in its facilities. Harsh Kumar Singh, the administration department at the factory, says,
I'm Ashish Kumar Singh. I'm admin department. I want to introduce the Imana Steel in a short. We're starting from the admin office. That is the admin office. As you will enter, I want to introduce you in the two units. One is the furnace, second is the rolling. Furnace, where we produce the raw material to make the steel bars. And rolling, where we make steel bar from the furnace raw material, that is billets. Billet we make from the scrap and steel bar we make from the billets. Those are the connected each other. And finished good, after getting the finished good, we pass through the two labs. We test the melting material, the chemical composition and the quality at the furnace. After furnace, while producing the steel bar, we check the steel bar strength, quality and tensile. Physical qualities we check in the laboratory. After getting the steel bar, we start our process for the dispatching. It's a very simple. That's it.
Since the pandemic of COVID-19 was started in Rwanda, how have your company been coping up? They managing to abide with the COVID restrictions and directives? Like
Yes. Everything. We have HR who is responsible for the PPEs and the safety. We train the people how we have to protect ourselves from the COVID. As this time is a crucial time, is a very critical time. We all country, all the world is struggling for that. So we are keeping such a certain criteria and we are following some protocols here inside the factory. As you will enter, you saw that we are checking by the temperature and washing hand, those kind of things. Despite of that, we are also training inside the employees how we have to protect ourselves from those kind of things. We should not gather in one place. As you can see this time also, the distance as people have. We are following those kind of things. It's like this. We have also first aid room also. If any kind of suspicion we found people got injured or any kind of things, we got treated here. If we saw that we have to take them out, we are taking them out or the hospital. That's it. Okay. Thank you so much.
The factory has two laboratories, one at the furnace which checks the chemical composition and the quality, and after which the steel bars are checked through the second lab for strength, quality and tensile of the metal bars. Lab 1 at the furnace is completely automated and computerized, while at Lab 2 the process is done manually. Respecting workers' rights. Mr. Mehul Brambat, the company's chief operations officer at Imana Steel Rwanda Limited, says,
myself, Mehul Brambat, and I'm working as a COO of Imana Steel. And Imana Steel is manufacturing of the construction steel bars. I can say Ferrabeto. And we are operating from almost 2015. We start production. We registered the company in 2011, but operation started in 2015. Now we are still working in that sector.
Since you started, how many workers do you have? And how many are paid monthly payroll? And who are the contracted workers? That is into the number.
Okay. We have around 450 employees. 50 employees, out of them it is under the payroll of Imana Steel. And 400 employees is under the subcontractor is called Pioneer Contractors. Whenever all the employees has a contract with me as well as with the Pioneer Contractors. Pioneer Contractor is my subcontractor, and we are following as the law of Rwanda, whatever the labor laws is there.
Is your company have the pioneer contractors? Limited
Yeah, he's like my subcontractor, and is the one who supplying manpower. We train basically under him.
And do workers get overtime benefits in case of annual leave, if they have any?
Yes, yes. All the workers has been protected by the same law of the government, labor law. Whatever is applicable for annual leave, for leave in encashment, even they are protected.
Maternity.
Yes, yes. Maternity, whatever is there, even they are protected under the insurance of them. Even we have a first aid facility, 24/7 inside the factory. So if anything happen, they first get the first aid treatment without even going to the hospital. And we also have a one vehicle, it is standby for 24 hours because of the nature of the industry. So they are taking care of everything.
So is there health insurance for workers?
Yes, 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 yes. All, not only the health, even accident insurance is also there.
Because some of the workers said when they have accidents at work, they only take them to the hospital, then from there they just dump them at home and not follow up.
You see, this is like first of all, when any accident happen, the first aid. First aid, they refer to the hospital. When they go to the hospital, we start giving the treatment. Then from there, all is taken care by the insurance.
The insurance.
Insurance. As well as we are doing the follow-up. We are in the continuous follow-up with them. And we are providing everything. It's not that insurance is paid and they treat. No. If it is my employee in Imana Steel under payroll, Imana is taking care. If it is the Pioneer Contractors employee, Pioneer Contractors is taking care of them. But all expenses, even some damages, even whatever is there, is taken care by insurance, but not immediately. We should not wait for insurance.
You first do the
Yes,
Imana.
yes, 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 yes.
If I may, I can go to the biggest clients of yours and your future projects for the expansion.
Yes, I can say this company is contributing in the steel bar for Firabeto is 48% of the country. We have a market shares. We have a market shares is 48%.
That's too big. Is that realistic?
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. You can see from the data of importation and the current capacity of two industry we have it, Imana Steel and Steel Rwanda.
Another one was for how does the company manage to adhere with the COVID directives for health? Because there are so many employees we saw yesterday.
Yeah, of course, we are maintaining all the guidelines which I was got it from the Ministry of Health. We are all the protocols we are maintaining, and that is the result after even this pandemic period. You cannot, we didn't find with the help of God, that nobody has got, no one has got any infected.
How many tons do you produce a day?
We are producing per month. This capacities we are saying we are producing 3,000 ton per month.
3,000 or 300 tons?
No, 3,000 ton
tons.
per month. Yes, we are dealing with the projects. Our profile is 70% in the projects and 20% we are exporting even to the DRC and Burundi. When we are talking about the Kigali and our Rwanda projects, Kigali Arena, it is our biggest client and biggest project, landmark project I can say. And we are supplying to the new airports, Iron Dam headquarters in the town, that is also our one of the landmark projects. Bulk water supply, recently we built in Gahanga, that is one of the landmarks. ALU, this African leadership universities, which constructed by the SUMA, that is also one of our latest projects. We are also dealing with the Nebogogo bridge, which is under construction, which is ongoing. There is Narugange District Hospital, recently Nemirambo, we have built it and now it's converted into the COVID hospital recently. and even Silverback Mall, which is located near to the old Sonotip compound. So these are our landmarks projects, and the major companies which we are dealing is Suma, Real Contractor, all Crystal Venture groups, Real Contractor, Horizon, NPD, and Motangle, who is constructing the new airports, and we are having Chinese CRBC, China Road and Bridge. So these are our major companies, and these are our main landmark projects.
Workers' testimonies. Martin Senjiyumva, an employee of the factory in charge of stock, has been working with the company since 2016. Most of us working from here come from different districts of Rwanda, but the majority are locals. We get paid well and on time. We have two types of workers: the monthly paid company workers and laborers who are subcontracted through a third party who are not paid through banks. We also have health insurance provided by the company. Leading the market. Our company contributes to the national production of metal steel bars by 48% in the market shares and growing. Meanwhile, our clients in our profile are 70% Rwanda projects and 20% in DRC and 10% in Burundi through exports. Among our projects are Kigali Arena, I&M Bank Headquarters, Gahang Bulk Water Supply, African Leadership University, Nyabugogo Bridge, Nyarujenje District Hospital, Silverback Mall. Major companies we are dealing with are Suma, Real Contractors, Horizon, NPD Contraco, Rocco, Wasak, Landmark, Zigama Bank Head Office, CRB Chinese Company. Our biggest client at the moment is the Bugesera International Airport. The company also pays the government coffers 250 million francs per month in electricity bills only, between 270 and 300 million Rwandan francs in taxes to the government per month in VAT terms. The company plans for more expansion in the near future due to the increased demand in Rwanda and across the region.